Ready to open the hood? Use tool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the solenoid valve by pushing the locking tab. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the first two screws, holding the air filter flange. Using a 7mm socket, unscrew the air intake duct clamp. Then remove it. Unscrew the last two screws holding the flange. Then pull out the flange. Take out the air filter. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Put the filter back in place. Ensure that the rubber washer goes into the right place. This will help you put the flange back on more easily. To put the flange in, incline it so that the interlocking studs go in first. Rescrew the 4 holding screws. Slot the conduit back in, putting pressure on the left. Tighten the clamping clip. Do not forget to put the solenoid valve back on its bracket. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.